This is release question 175 for CAHSEE Math. It says that Len runs a mile in 8 minutes. At this rate, how long will it take him to run a 26-mile marathon? Okay, so we could figure out the answer to that question, I think, pretty easily. We would take 8 times 26, but let's see what we actually have to do. It doesn't look like they're asking us to solve how long it takes him. So which of the following problems can be solved using the same arithmetic operations? Aha. So we just set up there to multiply. Let's underline that part. We are right here. This would be 26 times 8. I'm not going to say what that equals. I don't really care what that equals for this problem. 26 times 8. What are we doing? Here we are multiplying. So multiply. That's what we're concerned with, or that's what we want to know. What would be done in the same way? So that are used to solve the problem above. So we're looking for another one where we would have to multiply to get the right answer. This one, let's do just one at a time here. So choice A, Len runs 26 miles in 220 minutes. How long does it take him to run each mile? That would be a matter of taking 220 and dividing it by 26. So this is a divide by problem. Is that the right choice? No, because you're supposed to be multiplying. Which one is the same here? So this one, you're dividing. That is not the right choice. Number 175, part B here, it says a librarian has 356 books to place on 18 shelves. Each shelf will contain the same number of books. How many books can the librarian place on each shelf? So this one, same idea. You have all these books, this total number of books. We've got 18 shelves to put them on, so 18 shelves to split them or divide them up into. So you'd have 356 divided by 18. This is another divide by problem. Notice I'm not actually solving this. I don't really need to do that. I don't care to do that if I don't have to. But I'm just saying, what is the operation? What are we doing? We are dividing. Okay, choice C, a cracker box weighs 200 grams. What is the weight of 100 boxes? There we go. That's what I need. I need to take, this one would be 200 times 100 boxes would give me my total number of grams for the weight of 100 boxes. So this one, this looks like it's the right thing. This one I'm also multiplying. So this looks like it's my right answer, choice C. I just want to check choice D and make sure I didn't make a silly mistake up here. So let's just double check that and verify. Each basket of strawberries weighs 60 grams. How many baskets can be filled from 500 grams of strawberries? So you'd have this large pile of 500 grams of strawberries. Actually, that's not that heavy, but you'd have this 500 gram pile of strawberries. And we're splitting it up into baskets that weigh 60 grams each. That's another divide question. So this one, we've got divide again. So the correct choice was what we thought it was. Choice C is the correct choice because we are multiplying in both. Notice again, we are not actually figuring it out. You could. This would be 20,000. What would that be? 20 times 8 is 160, and 6 times 8 is 48. So 208. That would take him 208 minutes, but we don't have to do that. This one, we just have to figure out what it is, what's the same operation. So when it's 175, choice C is the correct choice.